Testosterone is surging through my body right now. It's day 5. I don't feel it yet, but you see it. Welcome back to the channel. Today is officially day 5 of my TRT journey, and I want to give you a real no hype update on what I'm feeling, and more importantly, what's actually happening biologically inside my body right now. So how do I feel on day 5 on TRT? This morning I had a really good sleep last night, so I feel really good this morning. I don't feel like a superhuman, but I definitely feel like I'm in a better mood. It is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. So I'm just kind of happy to be around friends and family and just having a great time in general. In the gym, I don't notice really big strength gains yet, but I know it's coming and I feel so excited. I'm stoked to finally go on this journey, and it's been a dream of mine to feel better and have optimal testosterone levels. So I'm just really grateful to be here and have the opportunity to have these things at my fingertips and become better and optimal like I was when I was a teenager. Now, dreams have been very vivid lately. Last night I had a pretty weird dream. I was laughing and I actually woke up laughing a little bit, and I researched and found out that testosterone increases serotonin levels, which serotonin actually gets released in your stomach, and that's where 80% of your immune system is located. And so that's making me feel good, and I just feel like I'm in a better mood. My sleep has been really bad the last few nights due to work. Work's not really stressing me out. It's just the work schedule. So it made it really hard for me to have consistent sleep. But last night, man, I slept like a baby, and had that vivid dream and had some morning wood, and the morning wood has been more frequent, and that's to be expected with TRT. And it's increasing nitric oxide in the blood and increasing oxygen levels in the blood. So that's the biological effects of TRT. On day 5, a lot of people report no change. Really, the change comes after the second injection, and I'm really excited for that this Saturday, injection day. I'm looking forward to it, and man, I'm just really happy and excited to finally start to feel better. And in the gym, I'm feeling not necessarily stronger like I mentioned, but it seems like I'm gaining more muscle already. And I don't know if that's a placebo effect, but man, it just seems like I'm more like my muscles are more pronounced and more full feeling. And if you're on this journey too, let me know how let me know how your day 5 is going and how your first week is going, what you experienced, and what kind of side effects, if any, that you have. Speaking of, I feel like I'm a little more aggressive. Not really like roid rage, but I'm just like, I guess my emotions are stronger. I guess that's the best way I could put it. But again, let me know how you guys are feeling, and thank you all so much for watching. Happy Turkey Day. Until the next one, peace out.